I am making Deltarune in Lego. For day 1 I started off by making the living room with the TV, which I'm going to expand on later. Then I made this little thing, don't really know what it is, but I just made it. I'll make the pole sticking out later. This thing. Then I made Toriel's chair with the cloth on, and Asgård's chair, and the sofa. And that's basically it for day number 1. Stay tuned for episode number 2. Peace.